Here's one of my awesome friends, Crafty Girl Down South. I won one of her giveaways and I can't wait to share it with you. Now, if you're not following Crafty Girl Down South, please go check out her channel. She has an awesome channel with great content, and boy does she understand decor and how to decorate. Now, here is just a few of her favorite posts that she's put up lately. And she's done an awesome job decorating for Christmas and on a budget. Oh my gosh, hasn't she done a wonderful job? Go check out this awesome creator, Crafty Girl Down South. She's really, really good. Oh my gosh, what's in that box? Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Crafty Girl Down South sent me this wonderful gift for Christmas. I can't wait to open it and see what she sent me. I know you're all excited, are you not? Let's open this box and see what I got. I always love unboxings on other people's channel, and I get to have one on mine today. This is so exciting for me. I hope you guys go over and check out Crafty Girl Down South. She's an awesome channel with great content on it, with beautiful decor, and she dresses up everything so nice in her house. Let's open the box and see what's inside. As you can see, she packed this box so well. No way was anything not gonna arrive well. Oh, look at what's inside. Look at all the packaging she used. She took such loving care. Even more packaging over there. I cracked the paper a little. What do you think it is? Let's see. Let's remove it. And oh my gosh, a Ray Dunn cup for Christmas. Merry Christmas. Isn't it beautiful? And it's a big one too. And heavy and well made. And it came from my favorite store. You know how much Grandma loves TJ Maxx and Home Goods. It's such a great store to go and find beautiful stuff. Look at how beautiful this cup is. It's so big, so beautiful. It even looks beautiful inside, all finished off in red, and the beautiful white lettering pops right off the cup. Oh, it's such a wonderful gift. Thank you so much, Crafty Girl Down South, for such a great Christmas present. Oh, I really loved it. It was so pretty, and I know I'll be using it a lot. Look how nice it looks with my centerpiece on my table. Doesn't it look beautiful with it? It's really so beautiful. You can see how big it is by looking at what's behind it. I couldn't believe how big this cup was. Well, let's go over and decorate the cozy corner for Christmas. As you can see, I've moved my stuff from my kitchen table over to the cozy corner. Because you know how Grandma is. She loves repurposing and showing you don't have to go out and constantly spend money. You can just move things that you already have. There's nothing in this cozy corner that I spent money on for this post. Everything has been used in prior posts, and some of these items I've had for years. I've had that little snowman for a while, and of course all the little miniatures on that table I've had for 3 or 4 years. And of course, I love those beautiful snowflakes. They're new from Dollar Tree this year. The horse and the little bike were bought last year, but they look pretty. And of course the tray was bought last year too. The candles were bought last summer, and my Christmas trees were bought at Dollar Tree this year. The polar bears are probably 3 or 4 years old, and the trees behind it are probably 3 or 4 years old too. Now look, Grandma mysteriously has her Ray Dunn cup sitting in the cozy corner for hot cocoa time. And as you can see, I have my peppermint spoons I always buy every Christmas season. They give a little bit of peppermint to my hot chocolate, and I just love it. I usually put and I mean just one little drop of peppermint in my hot chocolate to even give it more flavor. But don't forget just one tiny drop because that stuff is powerful. And doesn't it look pretty? And I even moved some of the pine cones over now from my dining room table. But it still seems a little bare. I think maybe, did you know it's bare and I have bears in the cozy corner? I thought that was a cute pun. Now we brought the pine cones in, and don't they look nice? And the pine cones were free. They're from my daughter's place up at the river. You know, Grandma, I'm always trying to find new ways to repurpose things. Bring a few more little accessories in and everything looks pretty. Let me know what you thought about my Ray Dunn cup that I got for Christmas from Crafty Girl Down South. And of course, see all the other beautiful things that I got. Let me know what was your favorite. Hugs and kisses.